How to change your iCloud account password. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go to your settings. Then once you go to your settings, you're gonna have to click on your account information right here. It should be the first one. So it should say your name, just click on that. Then once you click on your name, it should bring you to this page right here. On top, it should say Apple ID. On right here, it should say your iCloud email. You're gonna have to click on the second option right here where it says password and security. Just click on that. Then once you click on that, it should bring you to this page right here. And the first option right here, it should say change password. Just click on that. Then once you click on change your password, it should say enter your iPhone passcode. So just put in your passcode. Once you do that, it should say change password and you're gonna have to put in your new password. So I'm gonna just create a password right now. Then once you put in the password, make sure they're both the same password. Just click on change right here. Then it should take a while and your password should change. On top, it should say verifying. So just wait a few minutes. That's basically how you change your iCloud account password. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.